Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. Firstly, I recommend it to check if you have the latest software version. Open HUAWEI AI Life application or HUAWEI Connect application. Then, if you use AI Life, tap at your headphones as device list, scroll down, and at the left bottom you'll find update button. The same for HUAWEI Connect. Click on it, check for updates. It said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Next step is to return to the main headphones menu, and if you have HUAWEI Connect application, you need to find wear detection button. If you use HUAWEI AI Life, you need to go to the settings at the right bottom, and right here we have smart wear detection. Disable this mod. What this mod do? When you listen to music and remove your earbuds from your ears, it will automatically pause your audio, and when you put them back, it will automatically resume to play audio. Next step may be the problem in your audio app application. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music. Just remove this application from the recent apps and then open it again. Then check. If this didn't help you, also we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, place your headphones to the charging case, but this time do not close the case. If you close it, don't worry, just open the lid. At the right side we have connection button. Press and hold it until you will see that the LED light flashes red, so it's something like 10 seconds. Firstly, it starts blinking white. Don't worry, keep holding connection button. We wait for the red LED light. We have it, so you can release your fingers, and then we should reconnect them with the phone. Open settings, go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click at the forget this device button, or you may have forget device, or forget, or unpair, or remove button. And forget device. We just remove them. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you have refresh button, click at that button. Oh, I already connect them, but sometimes you need to return to the settings and then go back to the Bluetooth to see your headphones at the device list, or turn off and turn on your Bluetooth. And then tap on them at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!